battery is getting depleted many times. Within 2 weeks of non-charging, how can a battery get depleted? Every week, once or twice, we were always starting it, hitting it up to 50 degrees. I think the battery itself is running out of its performance. It's high time to change the battery. So Excite Expo motorcycle VRL, the batteries. XLT Z9, this has been recommended by the service manager of Kolkata BMW Motorrad showroom, and also I verified the same with the ex-manager of Tusker BMW. They both recommended this is absolutely fine. We have seen the specifications. This matches with our BMW G310 series batteries. We have got the warranty card and the receipt as well, and also it has got a inbuilt 48 months warranty. And post that also, if you are going to go for replacement or something goes wrong, you have to pay some amount based on this calculation roughly.
As we all know, the battery is placed under the seat. We have to remove the seat first. Let's do it. So all the tool we need for battery replacement is all provided by the stock motorcycle. All is here. So all we need is this to remove these two screws. While disconnecting the battery, for that matter any battery, the thumb rule is we will disconnect the negative terminal first.
So while trying to do this, we understood, if you can see this, as you can see, the inside of the left terminal has been damaged. Definitely we are not responsible for it. We never had to do anything that would damage the inside of it. It would have been done in course of all the servicings and everything. So for this we had to use a Ranger.
So disconnected. We are keeping the screw in case it gets lost. The positive terminal is fine, so I think this screwdriver will work. Let's see. Now 5mm Allen key for the final part. We just have to unplug this. Battery has been removed successfully.
Doesn't look like a very good condition. Obviously the juice keeps on going in after every jump start. It stays only for 15 seconds or a minute max.
So new battery comes with this nut bolts. We will use this and we will throw out this old nut bolt. So this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Now we will put the battery inside the motorcycle. Now put back the Allen key here. Allen part is done. While reconnecting the battery, the thumb rule is negative terminal last. So here we have to connect the positive terminal first.
The only thing we missed to tell you, if you see inside, the bolt needs to be placed there first, and then the screw will automatically go and tighten itself.
Positive terminal has been successfully connected. Now we'll go for negative terminal and the order has to be the same. First this, then this. Now the screw. And now finally we'll place the Allen key here.
So while buying the new battery, we have got a basic instruction that we need to start the bike and keep it on for like 15 minutes or half an hour. So we are going to do the same, and also as a more safety precaution, we will do is I will connect the Bosch C3 charger and check if the battery is completely charged and it has its complete juice because if the battery is actually new, it will the Boss CT charger will detect and it will show that the entire charging is okay in 5 minutes. But as of now, we'll start the bike and see whether everything is fine. Let's see. Looks like everything is good. There is no battery symbol that has popped up, and we can see that timer has reset because it's a new battery. That is supposed to happen. Well, this is an important information. After a new battery you have placed in your motorcycle, you should be always either checking the voltage of the battery. This is important because you have no idea how long was the warehouse or the store was keeping the battery, and that will dry up its juice.
If you find this video helpful, please give us a like or comment. Till then, ride safe, stay tuned and stay colorful. Bye bye.